Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been logged for violating our community guideline. So guys, if you want to open or log in your Snapchat account and you're getting the error like this, so you can see the help center as well here. Tap on that and you can easily contact with the Snapchat team to resolve your issue. So you can also see the switch account option as well. Tap on that, and if you have another account, just simply have to log in that account and you can easily contact with them through that account. Okay guys, so guys, if you don't have another account, then you have to close this page, or you can also open any browser. And now from here guys, just simply have to search for Snapchat Sport. So just simply have to tap on first link, and now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys. So from here guys, you can see this type of interface. So you can see my account is compromised. Tap on that. Now you can see the form here. Just simply have to put your username, or you have to put your email address, and here you have to put your mobile number, and here you have to write the description. Here you have to write, hello Snapchat team, my account has been logged for violating terms and condition of Snapchat, and I don't think I have violated any terms and condition of Snapchat. If I did, I assure you that I will not make this type of mistake again. So you have to write this one here, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to put your email address as well. If you have associated email address with your account, then you don't need to put the email address here. Okay guys, if you don't have, just simply have to put your email address, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and Snapchat team will contact with you on given email address, and hopefully they will assist you, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If they're just helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.